Okay, this morning was already a mess. I woke up at 8:15. I had my alarm at 7, but I was unable to get out of bed. And then everything, I didn't have time for anything. I had to change my car. I ended up bringing it to the school. I couldn't find the parking. I'm already late. Todo mal. But anyways, this is a learning for me. Tomorrow I have to wake up earlier and get back on track with my morning routine. I'm going to my parents' house to pick up some things and then I'm gonna go home. Didn't do anything special today for my birthday, but I already celebrated it on the weekend, so. It's 8:30 and I'm on my way to Zara to return some things. Then I'm gonna see if I find some kind of jeans, because I have a lot of clothes but I don't have jeans my size. So I'm gonna see if I find something and then head home, and that's gonna be it. Good morning, it's 10:15 and I'm on my way to get a coffee, much needed, because I was falling asleep in the course. Really, I couldn't keep my eyes open. I woke up at 7 today and it was tough, but I'm happy that I managed, because yesterday I couldn't get out of bed. And I'm gonna do 1 more hour here and then I'm gonna leave earlier and go back to the fair that I was in yesterday. It's a 3-day fair about everything related to food and beverage and machines for bars and restaurants and hotels. So I'm gonna do that again with my mom, and tomorrow I'm doing it with the people from the course. And yeah, it's a cold day but beautiful sunny day. temu unboxing. Okay, let's see what I got. So, first, the mushroom lamp. I mean, it is very plasticky, but on a corner, I don't know how you turn it on, but on a corner, it could look okay. Got some slippers because I want my house to be shoe-free. So, slippers for the people that come. What the hell is this? This is insane. So, on the picture there was this, and the product is this. Like, I thought it was the actual thing, but no, they just sent me the picture. That's crazy. Really, like, that's crazy. What am I supposed to do with this? I don't know. This is to store my purchase. And this is, I like it. It's velvet and boucle. Good. This is for the temperature. And this, I don't know. Okay, this is a thing that you can put on the drawers of the bathroom and put things like makeup and this kind of stuff. This I bought for the chairs of the dining table. Bit cheap. I thought it would be a bit bigger, but it's fine. Okay. And I got 4 of them, I think. One is for the cellar to put the wine. Okay. Not too bad. Could be worse. I'm happy about half of the product. To the same fair I've been going to these past 2 days. Today is the last day, and yesterday it was so hot inside that I decided not to wear a coat, but now I'm freezing. I'm gonna be glad I did that once I'm there though, because carrying a coat on your hand for hours while trying different things, it's a bit annoying. So yeah, I'm like, springtime, but not really.
Me ha aburrido tanto hacer café que me sale el
to a bar class, and I think I'm gonna do 2 in a row because I bought a package for a month, 8 classes, which I thought was doable, but last week because of the cocktail course I didn't go any day, so I have until Friday to finish the classes I have left, and tomorrow I'm going to yoga, so it's today and Friday. Either today or Friday I have to do 2. So I think I'm just gonna do 2 now, from 6:30 to 7:30 and 7:30 to 8:30. I think it's a good idea.
流沙。手掌翻越了山川和海洋的交界，你辉映在皎白的月光下。前行的使者为我摘下暗角的花朵，筑成一碗浓郁惆怅。沿着你流落的脚印，试探地走进那个没有退路的地方。嘿，小心在